I'm Eddie Campbell. I've been in the car industry for 35 years. I'm a service director now at Forrest Chrysler Dodge Ram Jeep in Dallas, Texas. I knew the day that I took the job with this company before we opened that DriveSure was going to be one of my first people to call because I've had so much success with it. I knew right away that I was going to have DriveSure in my future. The customers love it, and it allows us to look the customer in the eye, stand flat-footed, and have something to be proud of. And everybody that has used it loves to share their story, including me, because I'm a big believer in it. But I've had at least 4 people come in and shake my hand and say I saved their family member's life, or if it wasn't for them, their mother would be dead. Just because they've got a flat and it's freezing, or it was 110 degrees outside, and yeah, it's nothing but positive news. I think it's the easiest thing there is to try. There's no negativity that comes from it. The customers love it. We get comments about it all the time. The advisors are proud to sell it, and there's not even a sell to it. You just tell them what it comes with. It just adds that extra value that we're all looking for. I recommend DriveSure all the time. I've had dealers call me from around the country that I was in 20 groups with, and they're always asking, how can I get to the next step? And DriveSure is one of the first things I suggest.